Hey, good morning, everybody. April 14th, 2021, and it is a snowy, Christmassy day out there. Hope you guys are all well. Hope you made it to school safely and you didn't have to shovel too much snow this morning to get out. Um, anyway, hopefully we're about through with these snow days for the year. Um, okay, so we're gonna kind of finish up what we started yesterday. All right, so yesterday, you guys started, you kind of picked a book or an article, something that you've read. You were going to be the publicist. Okay. So yesterday you should have had, you should have filled in these things. This is a great example right here. Okay. Of a press release. And today we're jumping over here. Okay. So let's look up here at this top section really quickly. Okay, career connections. Publicists bring media attention to products, projects, and events. If this work interests you, you may want to consider one of these related career options. Okay, so a publicist, there's a press agent, there's a public relations executive, there's a marketing manager, there's an event planner. Okay, so plan and write. Now organize information into your press release. What is the story mostly about? So this is the book that you guys chose, right? What is the story mostly about? You may need to reread a workshop text or take notes about a book. Who wrote the story? Who wrote the story? Include a few details about the author. Remind fans of his or her previous work. Reach out to potential new fans. Okay. Identify important details. What makes the story interesting or exciting? What would make people want to read it? Be sure not to include plot spoilers. Okay, so you don't want to just write about the whole story. It's not really a book report, right? Okay, but you want to build suspense, but not spoil it for other people. What basic information do people need to find and buy this? What basic information do people need to find and buy this story or book? Okay, where will they find it? Okay. Now over here on the revise and present, share your press release with a partner, then revise based on your partner's feedback. The headline grabs the reader's attention, yes or no. The summary tells what the book is mostly about, yes or no. Compelling details make readers want to read the book, yes or no. Okay, on the air, publicists sometimes speak with the media about a project or event they are publicizing. Here are some tips about how to present like a pro. Okay, you got to practice, right? Okay, before you present, you need to practice. Okay, you need to keep a friendly expression. Okay, have a positive look, have a positive vibe, right? Okay, and then make eye contact. Some people will stand up and they will just read everything that they wrote on their paper. Well, that doesn't really make it personal, right? You need to look up at the crowd, make eye contact with the people you're speaking to. Okay, and then show a copy of the book. Okay, so show a copy of the book. Maybe you can if you were presenting on a book, you would hold it up. You could pass it around, something like that. Okay, all right. So you guys just very simply, pretty easy. You're gonna fill this out. Contact information: Jesse Calder, J Calder at richschool.org. Title: um, How Angel Peterson Got His Name. Summary. Um, let's see. Gary Paulson, the author of Hatchet, created this story, created this book with stories that are based on a group of young men who are wild and adventurous, right? Okay, that wouldn't give too much information, but it would kind of spark their attention. Okay, book information. Um, this book is compiled of 4 different stories. The first being how Angel Peterson got his name. Okay, uh, you will read in this book everywhere from uh, snow skiing behind a car to wrestling a bear. Okay, so there's some book information, right? Okay, that's something that you would include so that it doesn't spoil everything. You know, we don't want to give the whole story, but we want to give some details to kind of catch their attention. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and get this finished up. Page 177. Get it turned in. Um, good job. We'll go from there. Thanks, guys.